In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable the POS system on your Wix dashboard and connect your device. This is especially useful for those of you looking to streamline your in-person sales directly through your Wix site. To get started, you'll want to first navigate to your Wix dashboard. This is your central hub for managing your website and accessing all the important tools Wix offers. Once you're logged into your Wix account, you'll find the dashboard provides you with a wide array of options, from managing your site's design to overseeing business operations. What we want to focus on today, however, is setting up the payment options for accepting in-person sales through a POS system, if this is supported in your region. On the sidebar of your dashboard, locate the Payments section. This is where you'll be able to manage how payments are accepted through your Wix site, be it online or in person. Click on this section, and it will open up a new range of options to customize how you handle transactions. Once there, explore the capabilities and support offered. You might find it helpful to familiarize yourself with the different payment processors Wix integrates with. This step ensures you understand the best way to integrate your POS system with your existing setup. The next step is to enable the POS system. If Wix supports POS systems in your region, you'll see an option to enable it within the Payments section. It's crucial to confirm whether this feature is available in your area because regional availability can vary due to different regulations and support from third-party vendors. If it's supported, go ahead and click the Enable POS option. This will unlock the ability to connect a physical device of your choosing to process transactions. Now comes the exciting part, connecting your device. You have some flexibility here based on the hardware you're using. Wix supports a variety of devices, so consult the documentation specific to your POS device if you encounter any difficulties. Connect the device to your computer or tablet and ensure it's recognized by your system. Most modern POS devices will seamlessly integrate once you follow the manufacturer's setup instructions. Generally, all it takes is connecting via USB or Bluetooth, depending on your device's capabilities. Look for prompts on your dashboard or device indicating a successful connection. Once your device is connected, make sure to test it by processing a transaction. Use a small item or dummy product to run through the transaction flow as a customer would. Ensure that the payment is processed correctly and that the transaction shows up on your Wix dashboard. This final check assures everything is functioning as expected, providing a seamless experience for future customers. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully enabled and set up a POS system on your Wix dashboard, ready to enhance your business operations